everyone, so in today's class I am going to teach you how to make flower bouquet from clay. So the first thing which we need is stick. Here I am using broomstick. You can even use bamboo stick, which is used for grilling the food. And remember, the stick should be not in equal size. If it's equal, cut it out to make it unequal. Now take a green color paper strip and wrap it around the stick. Apply glue in the edge and wrap it around the stick. So people who don't know about broomstick, let me tell you, it is a stick which we get from coconut tree leaves, and you will find this kind of broom in every Indian household. And yes, if you don't have bamboo stick or broomstick, you can even use straws. Here, using the same method, I made 7 stems, and now I will use super clay to make the flowers. And yes, you can use any color of your choice to make the flower. Take the clay, roll it out and make a ball out of it. Attach little amount of clay to the stick to make our center of the flower. Now take 3 equal size of ball and press it out. So this round flat thing is going to be our petals. Attach the petals as I shown in the video. Attaching petals are actually very easy. Okay, could you guess which flower is this? So this is called tulips. And do you know this is one of the trending flowers right now? Now I will take 50% of blue clay and 50% of white clay, because I want my all flowers to be in blue color but in different blue shade. If you focus here, you will see I only took 2 petals to make the flower. Now I will take 20% of blue clay and 80% of white clay to get that beautiful pastel blue color. But I will add 4 petals to make this tulip flower. There are many methods to make this tulip flower, and I showed every one of that. If you have more time and clay, you can make more petals. If you have less, make less petals. Now arrange your flower as per their height. Now keep that arrangement in the table and secure it with the sellotape. While securing with the tape, please make sure that your flowers are on the place. See, they are already looking good, are not they? Now for the bouquet paper, I am using the normal color paper, and please fold it in the same way as I am showing in the video. It looks easy, but it needs little bit of attention. If you have bouquet paper, that's really great. If you don't have, manage it with the color paper. Here I am using 2 shades to make our bouquet look more attractive. You might be thinking why I am using color paper instead of bouquet paper. So the sole reason is to tell you that you can make anything even if you don't have any related materials. As I always say, craft is all about creativity but not materials. So our bouquet is almost ready. See how it looks from back side. Now you can leave as it is, but I am going to add something else. Here I will add tissue paper. You can use any other color papers. Cut the tissue paper in 2 halves and fold it in the same way as we did with blue paper. After folding the tissue paper, we have to place it on the bouquet. Now again secure it with the tape. Make sure while you securing it, please don't chip it off. Now look, it's already looking cool. Now I will add a ribbon bow here. Making a bow is really easy. For that you need just a ribbon. Here I am using a satin one, and follow the step as I am doing in the video. And please don't speed up the video or else you might get confused. And you know, if we add bow to anything, it makes the thing more cuter. To attach the bow with the bouquet, I am here using double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can even use glue, but glue takes longer time to dry. Look at this tiny bouquet, it is completely made from super clay. Even the wrap paper is from super clay. Now here is the final look of our bouquet, which you can use for gifting. That is it for today. Thank you.